tayo gagawa. Battery sound system.
Dali ko dito yung sticker.
Dalhin mo yung speaker, dalhin mo yung player. Dalawang battery pa dyan na.
Daw.
Dali. Dali mo na. Dali mo na. Ready mo na rin yung... Si June, text natin.
Ito, si Ate Kat.
Okay, sige. Text ko si June.
Pinagpala ng Diyo.
Paano yung pilis niya? Yan na kanya. Wala ka. Pwede ba tayo? Yung sinako.
Ito ang isang kakaibang meeting ng isang grupo kung saan napakagulo ng mga tao.
Nag-sex sila kahit na
Ha?
may regla siya.
Hindi mabubuti siya.
Hindi
Basahin mo nga, Father.
My boyfriend did a tour at a motel after he accompanied me for a job interview. As it was a stressful day, I knew I needed good sex. We almost burned a whole white through the bed with the heat of our fussing, and I had to say that the sex just made it disappear in an instant. But after we all, I then realized it was the second day of my monthly period. Looking down on the bed sheet, we were shocked to find blood stains alone. Checking out, the room boy couldn't help
Nagbabasa siya ng essay sheet.
my boyfriend. Sir, mukhang nakakuha ka ng birthday. Well,
Natawa pa. Enjoy sa pagbabasa ng Agustin. Diyan, ngumiti ka ng isa para sa stop.